Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone is sending green text messages on any iPhone. Now, if the text messages you are sending on your iPhone are green instead of blue, first of all, you must know that the green text messages mean that the message has been sent as an SMS message using your network. But the blue message mean that the message has been sent using iMessage. Also remember, for a message to be blue, the person you are messaging should have an Apple device and both sides must have enabled iMessage. Now to fix the issue from your side, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it. Now from here, just look for the option of iMessage. Now if this option is enabled, just disable it. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable it back on. And if this option is already disabled, just enable it. Now after you enable iMessage, after that just tap on Send and Receive. And from here just make sure you enter your email address or your phone number. After you have done that, then go back. And from here you will find the option of Send as Text Message. Now if this option is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it. Now for the third step, just make sure that you're connected to the internet. And the internet connection must be good, because iMessage will only work when you're connected to the internet. So open the Control Center, then open the Connection section in the Control Center and make sure that you're connected to the internet. Now if this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings, and in the main settings page, just tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. And from this menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset Network Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings on your iPhone, like the settings of your mobile data and the settings of your Wi-Fi. Now after you have done that, then open the Control Center and connect your iPhone back to the internet. Now, if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General. And from here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then the issue is from the side of the person you're messaging. Make sure that the person you're messaging follow the same steps so that they fix the issue from their side. And this is how you can fix iPhone sending green text messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.